If you can barely hear people during phone calls or callers sound very low on your iPhone 11, even with the volume turns all the way up, don't worry, follow every process because one of these fixes could be one that gets your caller volume back to normal. So first you just have to try this process because it's the most common fix for iPhone 11 users. So you just have to check the earpiece speaker at the top of your iPhone. If you see any dust or lint, gently clean it with a soft, dry brush. If you're using a thick phone case or a screen protector, that's covering the earpiece. So you just have to remove it and test your call again. Most of the people get helped after remove their screen protector, so hopefully this will help you out. If that didn't help, here's some settings I'm just gonna show you should check. Just go to settings, then accessibility, tap touch, then call audio routing and make sure it's set to automatic. Now go back to accessibility, tap audio and visual, turn phone noise cancellation off. Then back to hearing devices option and turn on hearing aid compatibility. Even if you don't use hearing aids, this has helped improve caller volume for some iPhone 11 users. Now let's check if another setting is limiting the volume. Open settings, go to sound and haptics, tap headphone safety, then turn off reduce loud sounds. But in your case, if you still can't hear caller properly, try this while you're on a phone call, tap the audio button on a call screen. You just have to turn this speaker button if it's automatically go into the speaker mode. If the issue continues, let's refresh your iPhone. Just press the volume up button once, then volume down button once, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting all settings. Just go to settings, then general, then tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then tap reset all settings. This won't erase your photos or other personal data, but it will reset your audio, network, and accessibility settings. If you have tried everything and you will still having the caller volume issue, it's most likely a hardware problem. In that case, boot your iPhone into recovery assistant or diagnostics mode. You just have to press the volume up button once, then volume down button once, then press and hold the side button until you see the option loading recovery options appears. So when the recovery screen appears, select Recovery Assistant or Diagnostics, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the on-screen instructions. So if it's detect any hardware issue here, you just have to contact your nearby Apple Store or Apple Authorized Service Provider for further assistance. Hopefully after trying all of the solution, one of these fixes your caller volume issue. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.